Hey guys, welcome to my video. I will be showing you my room of where I stayed in Cancun. This is me opening the door and voila! This door has something called a door blocker where it looks like this. You can open it before you go to sleep and it prevents anyone from entering your room. Right here, this is a painting. You can find it throughout the resorts. Right now we are going to see the bathroom area. There's two doors and one is for the toilet, one is for the shower. Right now I'm going to be opening the toilet door. Some of those toilets have phones, but mine didn't have one, which is good. Yeah, it's always clean. Hello, this is me. And this is the shower. It has a big shower head and some supplies. I did not use the shower head. I used that handle right there because I didn't want to get my hair wet. We have water, body lotion, towel, water, cup, tissue. This one right there is a bar soap. It came really handy as I forgot to pack some. More towel, a garbage can. You will also find a weighing scale right there and some blow dryer in case you got your hair wet like me. Right now we're going back to the shower because I forgot to show what exactly there is, which is conditioner right there. We have some shampoo and some body wash. Next to the mirror right there, there's a sliding door. It's the closet. I forgot to record it. There's plenty of hangers. There's a safe. There's a steamer for your clothes. And there's two bathrobes in there as well. There's a blanket on the top part of the closet just in case your room gets cold at night. This cup I'll be showing was from a welcome drink I received upon entering the resort. This is what they call the sunset view. It's the view, you can see the lagoon. This view is as beautiful at night as it is in the morning. I've had breakfast there. There's like two chairs and a table. You can see the Rio Hotel, and this is where they hold shows at the hotel at night. This video was recorded the next morning and I came up my room. It was clean, my towels were changed, and I forgot to record the mini bar from my room, which has plenty of water, soda, some beers and juice as well. There are cups for drinks. If you love coffee, there's a coffee shop in the resort downstairs by the pool area. It's a little rare to find. Ask any staff member. They should be able to show you. Their coffees are really good and they also have pastries. In the TV, you will find the schedule for both the restaurants and the activities they host inside the resort throughout the week. You can also order room service from the TV as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful to anyone who's looking to stay at the Royalton Chic Cancun. I recommend it. It's a very nice resort and the service is top notch. Thank you. Bye bye.